right. Okay, so now let's talk about accountability, if you don't mind. There's a lot of accountability coaches out there that people can hire, which is basically a personal trainer, right? If you go to the gym and you take two people who have the same motivation to not be there, but they want to get fit. One hires a trainer that they're obligated to meet 3 mornings, at 6 a.m. 3 days a week, and the other one has no obligation because he didn't hire a trainer. The one who's paying somebody to show up is probably going to succeed. There's business accountability coaches out there as well. What do you personally do to stay accountable, or are you already just that self-driven?
I am pretty self-driven.
Okay.
So if there's a goal that I want, I almost always make sure I get it.
Okay.
So I am pretty self-motivated. I'm just one of those rare individuals that is. But I still have accountability partners.
Got it.
And I still have coaches, particularly in the business world. So I do have people, some are friends like you. We talk a little bit later about our yearly goal setting dinner at Christmas that we do. But I pay professional coaches.
Nice.
As for accountability, and I get a lot of great information from the coaches.
Right.
There's still a lot of content that I'm learning, and it's fantastic.
Yep.
But at the end of the day, what they're truly there for is to keep me on task.
Yeah.
To keep reminding me, especially when you got bigger goals that do take a long time to achieve.
Yes.
And you know that, and there's a lot of little steps in between. You do got to be on top of things. Like every week, if you want to build your business, I got to do the marketing every Monday or whatever. I got to make so many phone calls every day. I've got to do the newsletter. I've got to do the flyer. I've got to put my stuff on Facebook. There's things that you've got to do to achieve that end result.
Right.
And it's easy to, especially in many goals, you don't see changes. You don't see the results for a while.
Right.
And so you've got to find something to keep you motivated during that process. And having an accountability partner is a great way to stay on top of things.
I totally agree. Fitness is one of them. You don't see fitness overnight. The results of fitness.
I look at name me a professional athlete that doesn't have a coach.
Yeah, exactly.
It
doesn't exist.
And people would look at you weird, you don't have a coach?
Right, yeah. The best. Michael Jordan, Tiger Woods.
The best in business still have coaches.
Yep. I saw an interview with, it was either Al Pacino or Robert De Niro, I can't remember. They played the same character. but
they do.
Both of them are arguably two of the best in the industry of acting. And they still have a coach, an acting coach.
They still do.
You know what I mean? And so it's like, you have to have that coach. So I totally agree. Okay.
And in every film they have a director.
That's right.
There's also other actors that they're interacting with that are forcing those roles.
Exactly.
Yeah, you surround yourself with people.
Yes.
That are helping you push yourself to your goals.
Absolutely. And